Okay, everybody, this is how you get our semi-EA. First, you want to go to AnEasierWayToTrade.com. All right, go there, join our Facebook and Discord groups right here. This is very important. First, click here to go to this website and proceed and fill out the Google form. Then you want to come back here. This is going to open up in a separate tab. Click here. I've already done it, but you'll click and do the response. It'll look like this. It'll be response to you. Just fill out all the information here. Click the boxes. They're all the boxes. Click it and hit submit. Then once you're done, close that out and come back. You can watch the video information. If you want to download our PowerPoint presentation on how we back tested everything and how it looked, you can click here and download it to your desktop, right? And then, watch these two videos if you want right here, and then click join now. You're going to click join now because this is subscription based. You're going to click that. Get this out of here. I guess I can't. I'm going to click here, click checkout. It's going to add it to your account. And you're going to go here. You're going to fill out the personal information, your MT5 account numbers. If you do not have your MT5 account numbers handy, don't worry about it. You can come and fill it out once you come back. Once you fill it, create an account, your username, password, confirm it, checkbox, and go ahead and go to PayPal. Once you've done all that and went to PayPal, it will send you to let me go ahead and log into mine now. It'll have you log in, and then once you log in, I'm sorry, that's the wrong one. Once you log in, it'll take you to a different page. It'll take you to this page right here, purchased items. It'll come up purchased items. All right, right there. You can click on view your details. You want to go ahead and copy this license key here. Copy that. All right, because once you have that, now you can minimize this. The software. I'm sorry. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wrong one. Your software will be down at the bottom right here. Go ahead and click it and download it to your desktop. All right, so you download it to your desktop. Right here, I've already got it on my desktop. So you come here and then you'll click it and run it. You're gonna put your subscriber email in. Mine is support. And your license key. Put your license key in. All right. Click next. You want to go ahead and check the boxes the terminals that you want to run it on. I want to run it on this one here, Carbon Pro FX right here. So I'll click next, install. You can read this information right here if you want. It's going to be on your desktop too. Click next. This is very important. Take a screenshot of this. Take your phone, take a picture of it, take your snipping tool on your computer, and take it and screenshot it, like that, screenshot it if you know how to do that. So you'll have that, okay? Put that on your desktop so you have it, because you want to make sure these three boxes are checked. This box is checked, and then you want to hit the plus sign right here and add our website. https //AnEasierWayToTrade.com. Then click next. After you save this, click next, and it's installed. All right. Then you want to go ahead and open up your MT5. If you had your MT5 opened up at first, close it and then reopen it. All right. So now you're going to come up, right click, and you should have this template, AnEasierWayToTrade _FX. Click it. It should pop up. If it does not pop up, yours is probably not going to pop up until you come over here and do that, what I was telling you about. Come over to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors. Go ahead and put a check mark here. Click allow this web request. Remember, you have these three, this one, and put that in here. All right, mine's in here. Click OK. Once you've done that, again, you go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors. Once you've done that, then yours should come up here, green. Once you turn the algo on, if it's off, it's gray. When it's on, that's green, that's blue, and these should pop up. All right, and if you do that to every pair that you open, so this is the template. It's going to look like this. Is all you need on template. You really don't need anything, but I know people want to have the candles and at least the 200. This is the 200 moving average. All right, so at the end, but you can essentially take the moving average off. You can take the candles off too if you can have a blank screen. You don't need anything for it. As long as this is running and this is on, you're fine. This signifies that your EA is in good standing with your subscribed member. All right, so go to the next one and right click and same template, an easy way to trade. Come up and give it a minute. That'll pop up. And every pair that you open, all the 15 pairs that you open, you want to do that too. It'll pop up and give it about a minute or so. It'll continue. It'll pop up. All right. And now you are installed. You are ready to go. And just leave it alone. Oh, I'm sorry. H12. H12. And it'll pop back every time you change. But once you get it on H12, leave it alone. Don't do anything else. Okay. And that is all you have to do to get it working.